Master the art of English. Engage in events and meetups. Hello, learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most dynamic and social aspects of English language learning. It's all about attending English-speaking events and meetups. This method is not only fun and interactive but also very effective in practicing and improving your listening skills in a real-world setting. So, you may be wondering, why is attending English-speaking events beneficial? Here's why. 1. Real-world practice. Engaging in English-speaking events and meetups gives you the chance to listen to native speakers and practice your listening skills in real time. 2. Variety of accents. These events expose you to a variety of accents, dialects, and speaking speeds, which helps in honing your listening skills and makes you comfortable with different English accents. 3. Interactive learning. You can actively engage in conversations, which not only improves your listening skills but also your speaking, vocabulary, and confidence. Remember, immersion is one of the most effective methods for language learning. There are numerous types of English-speaking events you can attend. 1. Book clubs. These are a great way to practice your English listening and speaking skills, especially if the book being discussed is in English. 2. Language exchanges. These are meetups where people from different linguistic backgrounds come together to practice different languages. 3. Lectures and talks. Attending lectures or talks on topics that interest you can help improve your specialized vocabulary. 4. Festivals and cultural events. These can expose you to colloquial language and local idioms. The options are endless. Find what interests you the most and start attending these events. Here's how you can make the most out of English-speaking events. 1. Take notes. Jot down new words, phrases, and interesting expressions that you hear. 2. Ask questions. If you don't understand something, don't hesitate to ask. This not only clears your doubts but also sparks conversations. 3. Active participation. Try to participate as much as possible. Speak up, share your thoughts, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Remember, the key is to actively engage. The more you engage, the more you learn. There you have it, folks. Engaging in English-speaking events and meetups is an excellent way to practice your listening skills and immerse yourself in the language. It not only helps you get a better understanding of the English language but also provides you with a platform to interact with native speakers and learn from them. So, get out there, start attending English-speaking events, and keep learning. Practice makes perfect. Until next time, keep improving, and happy learning.